All right, so when we're dealing with vertical or horizontal lines, we've got a little bit of some special situations here. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first problem. On our first problem, we have to write the equation for this line. And I see that this line is horizontal, meaning that it goes from side to side. It doesn't point up, it doesn't point down, it's just perfectly straight horizontal. So those perfectly straight horizontal lines, I'm going to have to take a look because that's not quite going to fit with our slope-intercept form. It does a little bit, and we can get to that in a little bit. But what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a look and say, all right, this is horizontal, so it doesn't really have a slope in the same way it normally does. This has a slope of 0. So I'm going to just take a look at my coordinate points that make up this line. So I've got a coordinate point right here, and my point is 1, 1. I've got another coordinate point right here, and I can see that the coordinates for that point are 4, 1. The ordered pair for this point right here is -2, 1. And then this point right here I can see is -5 and 1. So I'm starting to see a pattern here. And my pattern, when I look at my ordered pairs, my ordered pair made of an x and y coordinate, my pattern is every single one of these y coordinates is the same. Every single one of those, the y coordinate is 1. So that means that the equation for this horizontal line is y equals 1. Now, if I go down to this problem on the bottom, I can see that my line is vertical. So once again, I've got a vertical line. It's a straight line, vertical. So it's, again, not going to quite fit with our normal slope-intercept form. So I'm going to once again take a look at my ordered pairs that compose this line. And I can see that I've got an ordered pair right here. That ordered pair is -1 and 5. I've got a perfect point right here. That one is -1 and 3. This ordered pair right here is -1 and 0. And now I'm starting to see a pattern again. And that pattern is going to be kind of similar to our first one. This one's -1 and 4. That pattern this time, if I take a look at it, is all of my first values are the same. All of them are -1. And if I look at my ordered pairs are made of an x and a y coordinate. So that means that the x value is staying the same. And what is that x value? That x value is -1. So my equation for this line is x equals -1.